So when people come to me, money, 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 I tell them lifestyle is more important than money. Because I know a lot of people make a lot of money and their life is miserable. I know a lot of people who have a lot of money, they have no friends. I know a lot of people who have a lot of money, they have no time. I know a lot of people who make a lot of money and they don't sleep. They cannot sleep at night because of the stress. You have to find the way how you build your lifestyle. Don't focus on the money, focus on the lifestyle. Build a lifestyle. I prefer to make $500,000 in a year, but to have fully freedom, time freedom, than to make 1 or 2 million a year and full of stress and no time to enjoy the kids, family, your hobby. I choose lifestyle.